up, guys? Back with another video, and I'm playing with my cat, Mango. She's so adorable. Look at her. She's so adorable. She's so soft. She likes to cuddle with you. She's only angry. She wants to play. She's so adorable.
Oh my God,
I love you. So adorable. You're just so good. You see that she's adorable, but she's mad right now. So you do not want to play around with her. And it's me. What's up? And this is her, just always being adorable. Look at her eyes. So adorable. She's so adorable. She's so adorable with me. You see? And she's always nice. And voila.